The Mismake app is your trusted source for all things parenting, a revolutionary platform built from my lifetime of lived experience, deep expertise, and heart-led work with over 8,500 families across 20 countries. Think of me as a real-life Mary Poppins meets modern-day parenting guide. I've spent more than 25 years developing a bespoke, play-based, trust-based methodology rooted in secure attachment, emotional intelligence, and co-regulation. It's gentle, powerful, and proven, with a 97% success rate transforming sleep, behavior, and the bond between parent and child. Now, that entire method lives inside the Mismake app, a holistic parenting companion designed to walk with you through every stage of family life, from feeding to tantrums, sleep to screen time, and even your own emotional regulation. The app blends timeless wisdom with real-time AI-powered personalization, making the parenting process more intuitive, connected, and effective. This isn't just about managing chaos. It's about healing intergenerational trauma, rebuilding secure attachments, and raising a grounded, emotionally healthy generation. The app is culturally adaptable, GDPR and HIPAA compliant, and designed to scale, from a free tier for essential support to premium roadmaps and even direct one-to-one coaching with myself. We support parents directly, partner with companies to boost employee wellness and retention, and collaborate with healthcare providers and schools to extend our impact. With the Mismake app, families don't just survive, they thrive. Together, we're rewiring and rewriting what modern parenting can look like.